Come on, that ball's going further out. You better go get it. I have two young boys that feel the water is too cold. Even though they were the ones that wanted to come swimming. Ryan's taking it like a man. Oh, maybe not. Is that cold, Ryan? Finally, fifth attempt. They finally gotten the ball.